Hello guys, this is Eva Joy. So today I'll be showing you how I make my jollof rice. Guys, someone brought this stockfish last night and asked me to prepare jollof rice with it. I was like, do you mean stew or soup? He said no, jollof rice. That's how he wants it. I said okay. So here I am. I've soaked this stockfish. I soaked it overnight and I'll go ahead and boil it now. Guys, I discarded the water. I wouldn't want the stockfish to take over the jollof rice taste. Okay, so first thing first, this is my rice. So I'll go ahead and start boiling the meat. This is my beef. I already washed the beef. I think I should have added the stockfish first, but anyway, I'll see my inches. So I'll be spicing the stockfish with the beef. I'll be spicing the stockfish with the beef with this onion. I have bay leaves. I have salt, curry powder, nutmeg, thyme, and rosemary. This is ginger, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. I have 2 cubes of seasoning cube. So I'll go ahead and add them into the meat. So after this, I'll go ahead and stir it, then boil without water, then later add water. So I'll boil this first just this way without adding any water to it. So as this is boiling, I'll go ahead and blend the tomatoes, onion, and red bell pepper. So I'll put them into the blender and blend. Okay guys, I'm removing the beef now so as to allow the stockfish cook very well. So I'll remove the beef and put them in the oven. I would have fried, but I don't like frying my meat, so I'll just put them in the oven. Guys, I believe this will turn out so good. The aroma is so I'm done with the stockfish. Okay, I've added oil into my pot and the oil have heated. I'll go ahead and add. So I'm starting with the tomato paste. So I'll fry this for about 5 minutes before adding the blended fresh tomatoes. So I'm adding the blended tomatoes. So after boiling this for some minutes, as you can see, the water has dried up. The water has dried up. I have nutmeg, chicken stock, thyme, salt, curry powder, and 2 seasoning cube. So I'll go ahead and add them into the tomato sauce. So guys, I'll be adding the stockfish into the tomato sauce. Guys, write on the comment section how you would have prepared this. This is how I try to cook mine. So tell me how you would have cooked yours. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment. So I'll just cover this and let it cook for like 3 minutes. I've allowed this to steam for like 3 minutes. I'll be removing the stockfish, then add the stock and rice and dice it. I'm removing the stockfish now. So I've moved as I wanted. Here is it. I'm adding the stock now. Guys, the aroma is so nice, eh? Oh, this will come out so delicious and tasty. I'll be adding more water to it because this water can cook the rice. I'll cover and allow it to boil before adding the rice. So there's the rice. I've parboiled and washed the rice. So I'm adding it to the stock now. I'm checking on the rice now. Water to it. You know, I still have my beef in the oven. I would have added the beef, but the pot is full already. Oh my god, guys, I need to taste this rice. Hmm. This is so delicious. Like, guys, you need to try this recipe. You need to try this method. This is so delicious, huh? If you want a different taste from your normal jollof rice, from the party smoked jollof rice, guys, this with me. So lastly, I'm adding spring onion. Oh my god, guys, you need to try this. You need to try this. I never knew it would come out this delicious. Guys, I almost forgot my beef. So this is all last week, please. Last week, please. And this is the perfect. We will do this first. So let's try this. So nice, so delicious.